Welcome, dear listeners, to a tale woven with the threads of love, resilience, and the journey of the heart. The melody of life plays softly in the background, setting the stage for the stories that will unfold. In a world where relationships are like stepping stones leading to destiny's door, it's often the paths not taken that pave the way for true love to blossom. Each heartbreak, every unspoken goodbye, prepares us for the embrace of the one who will stay. And so it was, in a universe where hearts intertwined like constellations, that a lesson unfolded. Nothing is as breathtaking as witnessing the transformation of a soul, once shattered by unlucky bonds, now basking in the warmth of effortless affection from the right person. In a city where emotions danced like city lights, lived a man who knew that true love, once found, could not be stolen. Despite the allure of other souls, he stood steadfast, for his heart had already chosen its companion. When pain weighs heavy on the heart, tears might dry up, but silence follows. Like a stormy sea turned tranquil, a heart can only take so much before it retreats into the sanctuary of silence. Effort, my dear travelers, speaks volumes in the language of love. A man's genuine affection needs no coaxing. It blooms naturally like a rare flower. He'll carve time, spin words, and weave promises, creating a tapestry of devotion. Just as an invincible ship stands tall against a sea of challenges, so does the human spirit. Negativity may roar like tempestuous waves, yet it cannot conquer unless invited into the sanctum of the soul. In the theater of life, invest your applause where it's earned. Find the one who applauds your worst days, and you've found a treasure beyond compare. Picture, if you will, a future where a love beyond imagination waits. A love that redefines the very essence of your being, taking you on a journey of emotion you never knew existed. With the right partner, happiness flows effortlessly. No struggle, no strife, just a seamless cascade of joy, like a river that finds its destined course. Close your eyes and envision a world where wounds are healed by a touch, where broken hearts find solace in a pair of arms that hold, mend, and renew. In a land where chivalry and respect are as precious as gold, a true gentleman never taints his lady's dignity, not even in jest. For in the palace of love, both should reign as equals. As our story unfolds, let it be known that love is a prayer, a sacred offering. Pray for their peace, growth, success, and happiness. For when you love, you wish the stars for them. Let us normalize a love that blossoms in the fields of partnership, where financial stability is not the sole foundation. Two souls can grow together, nurturing dreams side by side. Oh, the power of a partner who stands by your side, an anchor in life's tempestuous sea. With their unwavering support, mountains become mere pebbles. Dear listeners, take heed. The journey begins with a single step. When you decide that where you are no longer suffices, you pave the way to your desired destination. A woman's memory is a vault, holding the echoes of how she was treated when she needed a hand to hold. Such moments leave an indelible mark, forever etched in the annals of her heart. In the grand tapestry of existence, there comes a day when a soul arrives, a puzzle piece that fits perfectly into the mosaic of your life. Suddenly, the reasons for past failures become clear, for this is the one who was meant to be. Ultimately, we yearn for a love that chooses us day after day through storms and sunshine. Love at its core is a choice, a continuous choosing that spans a lifetime. A woman who embodies both the qualities of a confidant and a partner is a treasure beyond measure. Such souls are rare gems, and their brilliance illuminates the lives they touch. Imagine, if you will, a phoenix rising from the ashes of a toxic bond, spreading its wings and taking flight. And in the embers of destruction, a love that nurtures, protects, and cherishes is kindled. Remember, my dear listeners, a man's love has the power to metamorphose. If his heart desires, he can rewrite his story, change his course, and become the hero of your shared journey. And so, in a world rich with stories of love, hope, and growth, let us raise a glass to the power of relationships. For they are the chapters that make up the story of our lives, a story that intertwines with the cosmos, leaving behind a legacy of love, laughter, and lessons learned. As the melody fades and the curtain draws close, we bid you farewell with gratitude for joining us on this journey. Until next time, dear travelers, may your hearts be open and your stories be as epic as the stars that grace the night sky.